छे महागुजरात तो गांधीजीनो देश छे।
Ahmedabad, a city founded by a Muslim king, later becoming the home of Gandhi as he broke barriers between the Hindus and the Muslims. There's a warmth in the eyes of the people here that you won't find anywhere else. You would have no idea what was brewing beneath it all.
In 1947, India got its freedom from the British rule. The country was divided into two. The predominantly Muslim-dominated states became Pakistan, whereas the Hindu-majority states remained India. Thousands of Hindu families were forced to leave Pakistan to avoid persecution. Some Muslims left India, but there were many who chose to stay in the great secular democracy of India. Farzan, give me your radio.
India has lost the cricket match to Pakistan, and there is jubilation amongst the Pakistani supporters.
Bloody Muslims. They live in India and cheer for Pakistan. They want to see fireworks. We'll show them fireworks. Ahmedabad? Behrampura, Chamanpura, Chuapura.
In Barzania, you could listen to cricket whenever you want and not get into trouble. Really? Is Barzania beautiful? Of course. The buildings are made of chocolate, the rooftops are made of halwa, the rivers are made of kheer, the mountains are made of ice cream. Chocolate ice cream? Chocolate, strawberry, tutti frutti, any flavor you like. And we can eat it? Of course.
Cyrus.
1 minute, 1 minute. Yes, Dr. Jayaraman, good morning.
He just called. He will be here any minute.
The American?
Yeah. Alan is his name. Well read. Intelligent for an American. I think he's finishing his thesis on Gandhi. Unique. Very unique.
That's Alan.
Hey, Ram.
If you make a wish at Lake Barzania, will your wish come true? Of course, 100%. But you have to pray like me. Rumble, mumble, do not tumble. God, this is your servant humble. Pray, come on. Rumble, mumble, do not tumble. God, this is your servant humble. Achamane, pachamane, andheri, gandheri. Dilshad dear is very hungry. Close your eyes. Open them.
That's Farzan, my son, with the cap. And Dilshad, my daughter, and my wife Shahnaz.
Ah, beautiful.
What about you? Are you married?
Fuck no. I just broke up with someone, actually. Fucking psycho. Dude, never date a hippie. Fuck.
Please, you can't drink in here, Alan. Nor anywhere else in Gandhi State for that matter.
Yes, I know.
Please, Alan.
I love that about Gujarat. Lots of poverty, no booze. Who's this, Allah?
No, that's Zarathustra. I'm a Parsi, not a Muslim.
Fuck's a Parsi?
We are like the Jews of India.
Oh, so you own the theater then?
No.
That was a joke.
Oh. What about you? Are you Jewish?
Christian.
Father, Son, and Holy Goat.
Bah.
Last one home is a silly goose. You're a silly goose. We are back.
Hi, Bete. You're just in time. Bete, please go to Sheila auntie and tell her Mama wants lemon and get it. Please, baby.
Okay.
Should have seen the look on their face when they saw me. They really? What happened?
No, these guys had to get over today only.
So bright chagga, no?
I tried. No, now we are out for 2 days.
More like 2 weeks. The shortage has never been so bad. I wonder why, really.
Auntie!
Arey, how are beta? Kem che?
My mommy wants to borrow
A lemon. I know. I told her she would need more than that, but she never listens to me. Nobody ever listens to me, not even my husband.
What's that? I've never heard that before.
It's your only job?
This? No. I work in a cinema. I have to earn some bread also, you know. What about you? How's India been treating you?
People have been way too nice.
Just because you're white. You must be thinking you got lots of money.
Sure as hell doesn't seem to be a lot of that floating around here.
No, there is. It's just that a few people have most of it, that's all.
Same shit in the States.
At least you don't have people killing each other for no reason.
You gotta be kidding me. Oh shit. We got 3 times the homicide rate as India, man. It's a hell of a lot easier getting your ass shot off in LA than Bombay.
Must be those horrible movies that you keep seeing.
Now you put all these pebbles in a straight line and I'll show you how to enter Parzenia. Okay. Go.
Lovely. Sheila's run out of gas again. Oh, she's going to be in problem now. There's a gas strike going on. Yeah, and she wants you to make 6 rotis for her.
That's so Sheila-like. You ask for 1 line, you make 6 rotis. If I ask for rice, she's going to ask me to paint her house. I tell you, remember that day I asked her for 50.
This is how you enter Parzenia. I promise to abide by the laws of Parzenia. I promise to abide by the laws of Parzenia. To put cricket before anything else, including pudding and pebbles. You must obey. To put cricket before anything else, including pebbles? Pudding and pebbles. Pudding and pebbles. Now keep repeating after me. I enter this land. I enter this land. With the knowledge that I may eat the buildings. With the knowledge that I may eat the buildings. But not within 5 minutes before it is supposed to rain. But not within 5 minutes before it is supposed to rain. Now hold this like a parachute. 1 minute. Ready? 1 minute. Ready? Yes. 3, 2, 1. Now jump! We are now entering Parzenia. Yay!
चलो जल्दी चलो जल्दी स्टॉप चलो वापस करो
See, Farzan, Rakhi for you. Is that a Rakhi or a watch? It is a Rakhi and you have to wear it on Rakhi Day. Only Hindus wear Rakhis. I don't care. You have to wear it and also protect me for the rest of my life. I know what the Rakhi is, okay? So don't bore me. Now you see what I'll do to you. You also have to give me a present. Sure. First of all, I have to wear that stupid Rakhi, protect you and then give you a present. Bullshit. Mommy! Okay, I'll wear the Rakhi. Mommy, Farzan was listening radio in class. I'll protect you also. Mommy, teacher took his radio and gave him.
Hello, beautiful girl.
See, Daddy, Rakhi for Farzan.
Oh, that's lovely. You made it.
Yes, and he's going to wear it and also give me a present and also protect me for the rest of my life.
That's my tiger.
Chocolate.
Yeah.
Oh, I got today.
One for you. In this hand.
Two, yes, we got two. Yahoo!
Go ahead and spoil them. Give them more chocolates.
Why? What happened?
What happened?
Do you know what your tiger did today?
What? Stole the Taj Mahal?
Cyrus. He was listening to the cricket commentary in the class.
Maybe we should make him a cricketer. Farzan Cyrus Pitawala, captain of the Indian cricket team.
This is what happens. I can never make him study because you're all the time making a joke out of everything. Must you renew our wedding vows every single day, sir?
Every single day. Thrice a day. Before breakfast, after breakfast, before lunch.
एक मिनट. Here, look. Thanks.
Before lunch, after lunch, before tea and after tea.
Good.
भाई कैसा चल रहा है? बेवकूफ, तुम लोगों की वजह से हम मुसलमानों का नाम खराब हो रहा है. बताइए साहब, कितने बेहुदे लड़के.
जमाना ही बदल गया.
चलो चलो चाय पियो जल्दी. ए छोटू, भैंचोद, आवाज मत कर, सोने दे. चल.
Sharnaz?
Yeah?
Did Khan uncle tell you the news?
What news?
Nazneen is getting married.
Oh, your niece.
Yes, a nice Hindu boy. They met on the computer, you know.
Tell you, internet has made the whole world such a smaller place.
Gone are the days of satis and burqa.
I know.
Hey Asif, when are you going to find a lovely little wife for yourself?
Hey, I keep asking you now. Abbu, I think we should get a computer. Huh? You need a lady friend.
At this age, I don't need anything.
Yes, you do. You remember this bedsheet? You liked it very much. I'm going to give you one on your birthday.
Oh, so you remember that?
Yes, I did.
So sweet of her.
Look, Chotu, I'm going to just sit.
जा, देख लूँगा. अरे, तो गए. क्या यार परजान?
Farzan, be careful, beta.
Sorry, uncle.
Dr. Jayaraman, where did you get this? It's amazing.
This is my most prized possession. You know, one whole year I did not go to see cinema or eat out just to save for this. Whenever life seems to be too much to bear, I read this book. This brings me back to life. Come. If you are going to break the law, it should not be for selfish reasons.
Everyone here seems to.
Helen, you are here to study Gandhi, not India. You need purity, not reactions made of anger.
A healthy dose of anger is good from time to time. Sometimes you have to throw a punch to block one.
An eye for an eye will make the whole world blind.
Rahim Bakery, Karani Cafe, Alnoor Jewelers, Abbas Garments, Iqbal Automobiles.
comes.
आजकल आ छापावाळो मात्र मुस्लिमोनी जाहिर खबर छापे છે કે શું?
Switch on the machine.
दिखा कमाल है यार, लगता है अल्लाह ने इन्हें ग्रुप डिस्काउंट दे दिया है.
Come on, use your strength. Come on. There. All right.
चल भूख लगी से नाश्ता करिए. अच्छा.
You need to build up some muscle. Huh? You don't have any muscle. You couldn't even turn that thing.
So can I be a projectionist now?
You can be whatever you want, provided you pay attention and learn along the way. Know what I mean? I can't wait to see all the amazing things you're doing.
अरे कुत्ता कहाँ गया? अरे बाबा जी, नई पिक्चर लग रही है अगले हफ्ते. अरे बुकिंग कैसे चल रही है?
साला ब्लैक तू करता है, पूछता मेरे को है.
पहले हफ्ते में 5,000 बनेगा, गारंटी.
तू सुधर जा छगन, अभी भी टाइम है.
क्या रे बेंचोद, गांधीवादी लोगों के साथ रह के तू भी एकदम गांधी बन गया है?
और कुछ?
अरे रान चलेगा.
चल हट, गेल चोरिया.
तू जब गेल चोरिया बोलता है ना तो बड़ा अच्छा लगता है.
चल चल जा यहाँ से.
तेरे लिए 50% ऑफ.
वो वैसे ही 50% ऑफ दिखती है.
अच्छा सुन, अंग्रेज के पास भेजू?
नहीं कोई जरूरत नहीं, जा यहाँ से.
अरे बाबा जी, तेरे लिए फ्री.
Get lost, idiot.
गेल चोरिया.
1,000 years ago, our ancestors came from the holy land of Persia in a big, beautiful and colorful ship.
Titanic?
It was not Titanic, okay?
Of course it was.
It wasn't. And they came to Gujarat in India. When they came, the king of Gujarat was very concerned.
Why was he concerned?
He was concerned because there was no place for anybody else to come and live there. So he went to the priest and he took a bowl of milk and he filled it up to the rim and said, like this bowl of milk, we have no room. So you know what our priest did?
What?
He took a spoonful of sugar, he mixed it in the milk and said, like the sugar that blends in the milk, we Parsis will blend with the Indians. So we will only sweeten your culture. And since then, the Parsis and the Indians have lived in peace and harmony. Okay, come, let's go to sleep. Come.
One more step.
No stories and no.
Understand you, Alan. You say that you're studying Gandhi. But why are you really here?
Okay. Well, fuck, that's a good question. I was raised Protestant, actually. My father was a very well-respected pastor.
Never guessed that.
Yeah, no shit. I mean, genius level, you know. He could save the soul of anybody who walked through the door, but fucking violent, man. Yeah, he had a hell of a temper. He beat the shit out of us, man. So when I was 13, I was like, fuck this. I don't have to live this way. And I packed my bags and I'm leaving the house. He's chasing after me. We head down the front steps. And he falls and hits his fucking head hard. So we take him to the hospital and they do a CAT scan just to be safe and find out that he has a brain tumor. They yank the thing out, and guess what happens? All of the anger goes away. No more violence. Just like that.
So you think it was the brain tumor that caused this?
Well, I mean, that's what I thought at the time. So I'm like, who do I blame for my life of shit now? I can't blame him. Do I blame God? I mean, this guy was God's biggest advocate, and he gets a fucking brain tumor that causes him to bash his family. So I'm like, fuck God. I go agnostic. I start drinking my ass off, screwing just about anything with a pulse. Whew. But, you know, a few years of that, I was fucking miserable. And, I don't know, man, you know, nothing felt trustworthy. I trusted my coke dealer more than I trusted the chicks that sucked my dick, you know? And then my brother comes to me, and he tells me that the tumor had only been there for like 2-3 years tops before they removed it. Right? Yeah. I mean, quite honestly, I think that it was the anger that created the tumor, not the other way around. You know, so I stopped being a slut, sort of. I cut back on the sauce and went back to college, which is where I discovered Gandhi. And then I went back to church, which is where I discovered the same judgmental, hypocritical types I grew up with. And I figured that, you know, there's got to be a better way to live life than this. And that's when I decided to do my final thesis on Gandhi. Which brings me here. Get this. My thesis was due 3 months ago. But, you know, here I am still, drinking shitty bootleg liquor and studying Gandhi. Fuck, man. Yes. Come on. Cheers. Yeah, go easy on that stuff. You're gonna catch yourself an early grave.
We Parsis don't have graves. We Parsis don't have graves. How you drink this stuff? You know, when Parsis die, there's a fire ceremony, and then the body is put on top of a tower for the vultures to eat.
Come on, you're fucking kidding me.
No, really. The body must be useful to someone or something even after death. Life must return to the earth when it's over. The soul goes on, but the body stays behind to feed the earth.
Fucking Parsis go all out, don't you?
All the teachers look like donkeys, so class never gets boring because you're watching a talking donkey. There's no place where teachers look like donkeys. Yes, there is. Barzania. Shut up. She should not know. Where's Barzania?
Hey, stop. Can I see your license? Hurry up. Where are you headed?
School, sir.
Got any Muslim kids over here?
No, sir. All Hindus.
Yeah? Yes, sir. What about this one?
Sir, that's one very special pain in the ass Hindu, sir. But Hindu all the same.
Well, then what are you waiting for? Do you want all our kids to be illiterate like Muslims?
No, sir. No, sir.
Come on. Hey, jane do isko. Let him go.
Everything seems fine, yeah.
Elections are coming. They'll start a rift somewhere.
As long as they don't create a rift between the public and the police, it's fine.
Hey, Chotu. कैसा रे तू?
और सब बढ़िया? और छोटू, चाचा कैसा है?
सही।
शगन ने दिया क्या मेरे लिए कुछ?
साइकिल नहीं है, इधर।
मेरा सलाम बोलने का उसको, ठीक है? चल चल चल।
Chill, for fuck's sake.
We are conducting a census here.
At this hour?
What religion are you? What caste?
Satanic cannibalism. We eat census workers primarily.
Can't you see this fucker is not a Hindu? Any Hindus living in here?
No, you want to move in?
Fucking asshole.
You missed. You want a thesis? I'll give you a fucking thesis. I'll give you a thesis about Gandhi, a man who was able to unite the Hindus and Muslims for the cause of freedom and equality until some shit-for-brains right-wing Hindu thought the world would be a better place if he put a bullet through the man's stomach.
Then a few idiot Muslims set off some bombs in Bombay in the early 90s, and a new party plays it for all it's worth to get into power. And this party features many of the same types of superstar players as the pricks that wanted Gandhi dead. But now they were able to use a private group called the Parishad, which is India's own version of the KKK, to convince the Hindu population that they'd been repressed by the Muslims all along, even though Muslims make up less than 14% of the population, and most of them are poor as shit anyway.
The Parishad, just like some of those idiot Southern Baptists with their burning crosses, love to pretend that theology supports their political agendas as if it's God's will to be an asshole. We don't need to take care of the people, we need to control them. And if using God to make them hate each other works, then so be it.
Daddy, why are we Parsis and not Chotu?
Because we were born Parsi and Chotu was born Hindu.
But you said there was only one God.
Yes, there is only one God.
Then how do you know that ours is real and his isn't?
All gods are real. Come on, get some rest, Tiger.
Daddy, I'll never listen to radio in class.
That's my Tiger.
I guess there is no such thing as bedtime in Parzania. You guessed correctly.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
A large group of Muslim terrorists attacked a train yesterday. It appears a firebomb is responsible for killing 58 passengers as it left the station headed for Ahmedabad. The passengers were mainly...
Turn the volume up on that? The radio volume up.
The clash started when some people molested an 18-year-old Muslim girl. The government dismisses this as bogus and states that the ISI, Pakistan's intelligence force, was behind this unfortunate carnage. 28 people have been arrested. They are all Muslims.
This is unbecoming of any civilized society. It is something which can never be pardoned. I want to assure the people that Gujarat will not tolerate any such incident. The culprits will get full punishment for their sins. Not only this, we will set an example that nobody, not even in his dreams, thinks of committing a heinous crime like this. The Gujarati government shall safeguard the lives of common people and shall not allow those who want to take the law into their own hands to destroy the peace of innocent citizens.
It is believed many women and children were also victims to this horrible crime by Muslim terrorists. Some locals even believe these women may have been raped or molested. Others present at the station say that the mob was about 2,000 and it was impossible to fight them because they were all armed. 2 compartments of the train were set on fire.
क्या होता है?
However, it is still uncertain whether the fire was started.
हालात बद से बदतर होते जा रहे हैं अब्बू।
Such culprits have no place in a civilized society. I appeal to you, with folded hands, we must maintain peace and self-restraint. It is our resolve to punish the culprits. No one will be spared.
ગઈકાલે થયેલા ટ્રેનના દુર્ઘટનાના વિરોધમાં
ફરઝાન
આજના બંધના એલાન કર્યા છે. પાર્ટીના નેતાએ કહ્યું છે કે આ
ફરઝાન, breakfast getting cold.
તીવ્ર તિરસ્કાર જાગૃત થયો છે.
Enough of the news. We don't want to listen to it anymore.
Come on, let them listen to it. Let them know what's going on around them.
Will someone kill us if we get on the train?
No, sweetie. This happened in Godhra. That is 3 hours away.
Very far.
Mommy, I wrote a poem.
Okay.
Do you want to hear it?
Yes, please.
Papa is strong and tall. Mummy is soft and helps when I fall. Sissy is silly and sweet. And Papa has smelly feet.
Whose tiger are you, Papa's or Mummy's?
Mummy's.
Okay, I won't take you with me to the pictures when I go.
Okay, Papa.
Okay, Papa. Just joking. Tomorrow. You can come tomorrow.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Silly and sweet.
बबाल थवानी। अरे पार्टीए बंधुनो ऐलान करो छे यार।
अरे आज कौन भोसड़ी का फिल्म देखने आएगा? साबी बंदी रख सकते थे।
अरे શું યાર એને ઘરે આરામથી ટાંટિયા લાંબા કરીને આરામ કર્યો હોત, સૂતા હોત, ગરમ ગરમ ભજીયા ખાતા હોત, મજા કરી હોત યાર। આ સાહેબ પણ બહુ ચીકણા છે હો।
She'll be coming down the mountains when she comes. Shahnaz! Shahnaz!
Yes, Nikhil? Phone from America, come fast! Oh, okay, I'm coming. Dilshan, who Nikhil ne ghir jaunch, after 3 whistles, just put off the cooker, samjhi ne? Don't forget, I'll just be back. In a hurry? Yeah, telephone call.
Movie ticket.
Yes.
Balcony.
I'll remind her.
Thank you, Shahnaz Bhabhi. Thank you. Okay. बहुत सारा लोग बहुत सारा।
And this is a very important World Cup match between India and Pakistan, and it's going to end very interestingly. India need 100 runs to win from just 20 balls.
Finished? No, disconnected. Okay, while I'm waiting, give me tea. Come. Your special masala chai.
Singing yippee yippee yippee, and their champion batsman Farzan is at the crease. He's playing very well. Can India make it?
Stay in your houses and do not come out. If you come out, we will be forced to fire. The police are in control of the situation and curfew has been declared. So remain calm and in your houses. Come on, let's go.
चलो रे चलो. Time for कभी खुशी कभी गम.
Come on, I'm telling you, grab the gates. Come on, you go over there and close the gate. Hurry up, baby. Come on, you two go over there. Usman and Rahim, go and check over there.
What happened, Asif?
Shahnaz, go back home. Go back home. You go that side. Go that side. Go that side. Go and check over there.
Nikhil, just call up Science.
And this is the last ball, going to be bowled by Shoaib Akhtar to Farzan. If Farzan does not hit a 6, India will lose this match.
You go that side. Farzan and Dilshad are at home.
Yeah.
No, we're just taking precautions.
Why the gates are closed?
Just as a precaution. I want you to stay at home with them. Go and stay at home with the kid.
हाँ निकल। अच्छा हूँ आऊँ आऊँ।
हिंदू छे, हिंदू लोग छे। हाँ, थैंक गॉड वी आर सेफ। Hello, Inspector. There's a huge crowd outside. Please send some police force now.
हाथ लगाता आधार में कौन से आधार में मुस्लिम से बड़ा माता चुप मुस्लिम से वन देम किल देम मारो डोंट किल मी प्लीज गेट आउट इट
Please, I need to go to Perampura. My house is just over there. My family is there. My wife is alone. My little daughter and my son are over there. Please let me go from here.
See, this road is blocked. You can go from here.
Inspector sir, please let me go. I need only to
go from. You see this road is, you can't go from here. Go.
Sheila Ben, please open the door. I want you to take the children inside, Sheila Ben.
Sheila, શું કરે છે? બહારનું જરાય ખોલવાનું નથી સમજી?
Sheila Ben, please. Don't leave. Sheila Ben.
બહારનું ખોલવાની ના પાડીને મેં તને.
Sheila Ben, I don't want to come in. I just want you to take Dilshad and Farzan inside.
અરે મુસલમાન સમજીને આપણને મારી નાખશે તો.
અરે પણ છોકરાઓ નાના આપણે દિલશાદ ફરઝાન હું ખોલું છું.
ના એ લોકો હિન્દુ નથી.
Let's go.
हिंदू से चलो चलो हिंदू
What the fuck? What the fuck is going on?
मेरे पास आओ जल्दी करो आप लोग मुझे मार रहे हैं लीव देम जल्दी करो
The mansion is not in danger. They're attacking buildings at the other side. Now you remain cool and everything will be okay.
But if I'm not in danger, why don't you let me through?
I think you should leave right now. जल्दी भगाओ. Please leave right now. I said इनको भगाओ जल्दी.
Okay, now Dilshan, I want you to be very quiet. Listen to me. I want you to be very quiet and I want you to be very brave. Because Mama is going to go get Farzan and come back.
Please, man. He must come back. Please, David. Mama, I'm scared. Mama is scared. Mama, please.
Come back and get Farzan and come back, baby.
Mama, Farzan must have escaped. If you go, they will see you. They will kill you. They won't kill you. Mama, Mona, she will live for me. Baby, live for me. Baby, live for me. Mama, Mama, please. Mama, please. Mama, please. Mama, please. Mama, what is you?
Farzan.
Farzan? Farzan, are you there? Farzan? 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 फरजान फरजान
Dadaji, take this back, but please bring Farzan back. फरजान